Ladies and gentlemen, he hails from the great state of Alabama. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker has worked with the Department of Health and Human Services in Alabama. Ladies and gentlemen, he has worked with the Center for Disease Control. He is traveling around the country, empowering thousands of young people straight out of Florence, Alabama. My man, O.P. Key.
Somebody at school being bullied, would you help them, man? Or you just gonna sit back and watch and laugh like other people do?
Come up here and talk to him, man. OPK.
Alcoholism, teen pregnancy, molestation, school dropout, imprisonment, then sign up with the 1 million campaign for a change so we can save all our kids.
Alabama, is it? Yeah, all the way from Alabama. Please make some noise for O.P. King.
Because I heard a song when I was in high school, and the song said, rolling down the street, smoking it up, sipping on diesels, laid back, with my mind, my money.
Dale Baker at John Essex High School, and we just thoroughly enjoyed the presentation. It was wonderful. The kids listened, and I think he got his message across very well. That he kept their attention the whole time.
It's a program that allowed the children to be part of it. They can experience it. They can relate to it. So as the program was going on,
John Essex High School, Determine Your Destiny was one of the best assemblies we have ever had at this school. It was very inspiring and motivating to everybody. You just related to the kids. You got them going. You got them involved. They were listening. They were active. You had their attention, which is something that a lot of people cannot do. They cannot have all of the attention at one time, and you had their attention the whole time, all of them.
I think everybody could benefit from it.
Was it fun? Was it different? All right, let's give O.P. Key a hand.
Everybody say distractions leads to destruction. When you get distracted, you get delayed. And when you get delayed, you'll make a detour. And when you make a detour, you'll get destroyed. Everybody say distractions leads to destruction.
Great. His performance today was unbelievable. I followed it the whole time. The comments, I mean, the voices in his head, you know, everything going on at home. I understood it all. It was great, just unbelievable.